Hello and welcome back to the channel, my lovelies. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can achieve this classic brown glitter eye makeup just in 5 minutes, and I'm going to be using just one brand makeup today. This makeup is inspired by Knook. So without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. And before that, please take a minute to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet, and also click the bell icon to stay ahead and watch my videos as soon as they're up on YouTube. Also follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Enough chit chat, let's start now. So if you haven't watched my previous video about how to draw perfect eyebrow just in 5 minutes, then click on the link below, and I have also given the link on the screen so it will be easy for you. Okay, so today I'm going to create this look by e.l.f. concealer in the shade of Tan Latte. I'm going to use my wet beauty blender as always to blend the concealer. I'm just gonna dab all over my eyelids. Once that's done, I'm gonna softly set this with a little bit of translucent powder to keep it in place. I am using Airspun loose face powder this time. So I'm using this Profusion Vanity Face Plus Eye palette, and I am starting with this soft brown shade. I'm just going to blend this in my crease all over, just coming from the inner corner to the outer corner. I'm sure you can see what I'm doing right now. Then I'm going to take this purplish brown color from the same palette. I'm just going to blend this all over in my crease using that same brush, blending this back and forth. Nothing really special. Now I'm going with this rustic orange shade, again from the same palette, and this time I'm concentrating more on my crease. It's a little darker. I'm trying to softly building it up. I'm not applying too much product. This flat blending brush works a little bit better. So now I am going in with this silver shade, and I am first going to press this in my inner corner. Then I'm making my brush wet to give it a little bit more intensity. I just wanted to make the eyeshadow shades pop as much as possible, so that's why I make my brush wet. Then I am going in with this gold shade, and same story. I made my brush wet while I was applying this. Then I'm going in with the shade of maroon, and I will be applying it on my outer corner of my lid. This step could be done before I highlighted my inner corner, but yeah, I'm just trying to intensify the color. I'm making it softer now using a fluffy brush. Now I'm going to take this pigment adhesive from Profusion Cosmetics and apply on my mid-lid. I am not going to apply too much, just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and apply these two pigments from Profusion Cosmetics. I'm going to give the detail on the description box below. So I will be applying the lighter pigment first and then the other one with bigger molecules. That's how the glittery look will be more obvious, if that makes sense. Then I'm going to take the eyebrow pencil from Profusion Vanity and draw an outer wing. Once the upper liner is done, I'm going to apply it on my lower rim. Then I'm going in with this charcoal shade, and with the help of a tiny brush, I will be blending under my lower lash line. In this way, I'm making sure that my eyeliner will stay longer. After that, I will be taking this same maroon shade and blend right under the charcoal line. Make sure they blend nicely and there is no harsh area. The basic part is done. Now I'm gonna take a curler and curl my lashes for a few seconds. This tape is very important, otherwise your lash will look straight and not very flattering, I would say. I'll be using this heavy lashes today for this look. Also some black lash adhesive from Kiss. Once the lashes are attached and nice and dry, I'm gonna apply some waterproof mascara and apply on my fake and real lashes together. Then I'm gonna use Mary Lou Manizer shade from the Manizer Sisters and highlight the areas around my eyes, especially on cheeks, the bridge of my nose, under the arches, forehead, typical areas. And it was that simple. If you have any question, please comment below in the comment section, and also like this video if it was helpful for you. Share with your friends and family and subscribe before leaving. I am so glad you guys are here. This place is awesome. I upload 1 to 2 videos every week, so stay tuned. I will catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Bye. Oh, by the way, and also click any of these videos. I'm sure you will like them too. Bye.